Up next in fourth place is the Bold Bee Mezzaluna knife. Cut like a chef with the Bold Bee Mezzaluna knife. This half-moon knife gives you complete manual control over the fineness of your salad ingredients. The food-grade stainless steel blade is durable and resistant to rust and corrosion because it is mixed with other elements, chromium and nickel. It's also lightweight enough that you can manipulate the knife at different angles to get the best results. In addition, the rounded handles are comfortable to hold and designed in the most versatile way, so that you get the most comfortable balance as you move the knife from side to side when cutting or chopping. The half-moon shape of the blade makes this the most unconventionally effective knife you'll come across. We like how functional this Mezzaluna knife is, especially as it feels secure in your hands, and makes cutting, chopping, mincing, and dicing effortless. Owning this knife will make you feel like a professional chef. Moreover, to keep the stainless steel blade safe, this product comes with a sleek black blade cover that is resistant to heat and chemicals. Lastly, this blade is dishwasher safe, making it much easier to maintain. Its pros are, it is easy to maneuver thanks to its low weight, it cuts with incredible efficiency, saving you a heap of prep time, and the handles are convenient and comfortable to hold. However, because of the dual-handled design, it can be a bit tricky to sharpen. The Bold Bee Mezzaluna knife is suitable for those who want better control and maneuverability when cutting or chopping their salad ingredients. Still haven't found a salad chopper that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.